Hey there, foodies and delivery enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to change your delivery address in DoorDash 2025. With DoorDash's updates for 2025, changing your address is faster and more intuitive than ever, whether you've just moved or need to switch for a special order. This quick guide will have you sorted in no time, so let's dive right in. First things first. Make sure you have the latest version of the DoorDash app installed on your phone. Updates in 2025 include enhanced location services for smoother changes, so head to your app store and update if needed. Once you're all set, open the DoorDash app and log in to your account. You'll land on the home screen. Now, tap on the profile icon, usually in the bottom right corner, represented by a person's silhouette. Next, scroll down in your profile settings until you see the Delivery Preferences section. This is where the magic happens. Tap on it, and you'll find an option labeled Edit Delivery Address. Go ahead and select that. Now, you can either type in a new address manually or use the app's improved GPS feature to pinpoint your location accurately. DoorDash's 2025 AI integration even suggests nearby addresses based on your history, making it super convenient. After entering your new address, double-check the details for accuracy. Nothing worse than a mix-up with your burrito delivery. Hit Save or Confirm, and you're good to go. The app will update instantly, and your next order will be on its way to the right spot. A few quick tips. If you're changing addresses mid-order, you might need to cancel and reorder, so plan ahead. Also, for security, DoorDash now requires a quick verification step in 2025, like a PIN or fingerprint, to prevent unauthorized changes. And remember, this feature works on both iOS and Android, so no worries there. There you have it. Changing your delivery address in DoorDash is a breeze. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy ordering.